like the cards because they're easy to use.
I like how you can challenge yourself and go on different steps. I like the badges because it tells me how well I've been doing.
I like the avatars because they're cool and fun.
I like the leaderboard because it helps you play against different people across Pembrokeshire.
We want the children to be ambitious, capable learners who can communicate effectively in both English and Welsh, and I really think that the Meistroli platform allows them to do that. It allows them to gain that language that they need to communicate in lots of different everyday situations.
I think the fact that it's really, really easy to use is hugely beneficial because it enables all children in their school to be able to access the platform.
Meistroli, which means to master, provides structured language learning materials that align to the Welsh language curriculum.
Retrieval practice aspects of it are very useful, so it helps to recap and consolidate on all the language patterns. I think the fact that it's really fun and engaging supports people progress, and what's really lovely about it is that it allows us to track progress from years 2 to 11.
Dwi'n hoffi'r ffaith bod y plant yn gallu clywed y geirfa ar Meistroli achos mae fe'n ffordd dda i'r plant i fod yn annibynnol.
The children want to use it, they ask when they can use it. Being able to have a sort of a game element, they love to use it. You're able to see progression with the different steps. It ties in perfectly with the continuing gynradd. It's already proven to be a useful tool here. I would highly recommend.